In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ClickUp to set up RAG reporting using their templates feature. Whether you're managing a team or tackling projects on your own, ClickUp can be an incredible tool to keep you organized and efficient. So let's dive into this process step by step. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support really helps us reach more folks who need this kind of information. To kick things off, start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the ClickUp website. Once you arrive, make sure you're logged into your account. This login step is crucial because you'll want complete access to all your workspace features. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself faced with the dashboard, which is your central hub for everything going on in your ClickUp universe. Now take a look over to the left side of your screen. This area contains the list settings, which is typically nestled within your workspace. These settings are where you can customize and configure various elements of your ClickUp experience. Go ahead and click on the list settings to proceed. After you've clicked on list settings, you're presented with a broad array of options for tailoring your workspace just the way you like it. Here, look for the templates option. Templates in ClickUp are fantastic pre-designed layouts that can really help streamline your project management. Utilizing templates can save you a significant chunk of time when setting up new projects, which is incredibly advantageous, especially when juggling numerous tasks. Once you locate the templates section, go ahead and click on it. This action will steer you into a gallery filled with a multitude of templates that ClickUp generously provides. Think of this gallery as your playground. It's where you can explore various pre-made structures tailored to numerous project management needs. It's a bit like window shopping, but instead of clothing or accessories, you're hunting for the most effective way to optimize your workflow. Now, your mission here is to search for the RAG reporting template. If you're not familiar, RAG stands for red, amber, green. This is a widely recognized project management framework for tracking progress and status. The beauty of RAG reporting is its straightforward visual representation of task statuses using colors. Red indicates issues, amber signifies potential problems, and green means everything is running smoothly. This system is excellent for quick status updates and ensuring everyone stays aligned on the project's progress. Once you've spotted the RAG reporting template, click on it. Just like that, you're ready to embrace a powerful tool that will undoubtedly enhance your project tracking capabilities within ClickUp. Using the RAG reporting tool, you'll be able to visualize your project's progress with ease and quickly pinpoint any areas that require your attention. So there you have it. You've successfully navigated through ClickUp's interface and integrated RAG reporting into your workspace, making your project management process not only easier, but also more effective. As you continue to explore ClickUp, you'll likely discover even more features and functionalities that can help you optimize your workflow further. Thank you for tuning in today. I genuinely hope this guide proves useful in making your ClickUp experience even more productive. If you have any questions or if there's anything that needs further clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you make the most of this incredible tool. Happy managing, and see you in the next video.